All right, the first version that we're going to do is going to be a configuration of the forward assist. So what I'd like to do is get someone to, first of all, get control of our horse. So we're going to need an emergency rope halter and an animal handler. You're going to approach the horse at the dorsal side behind the neck. Stay behind his ears. And then you have to lift his face. What's difficult about an emergency rope halter on a down horse is you have to lift the head and neck, which may be up to 70 kilos. Make a loop through the loop, and then that smaller loop is going to go across the nose. Lift his head up slightly, slide it across. I'm going to need a second person to bring me the PFD as a head protector. All right, put your knee in his neck, and you're in a power position to be able to control the horse. You're going to come in behind her, and you're going to work together. You're probably going to have to lift the head to get the PFD onto the horse. Make sure you've got your buckles in a place where you can get them on. A PFD is a cheap alternative to having a formal veterinary grade head protection device. That's in the perfect position because you're in a safe position so that the horse can't kick you, bite you, or roll on you. Excellent. At this point, we are ready for two people to work together with the strop guide, which is that silver piece of equipment in the middle of the tarp. We're going to need a strop guide, one strap. He's going to approach from that side. You're going to go around to that side of the horse, and you're going to stay out of the room of the way of the horse's feet. Good. Excellent. You're going to push directly behind the shoulder and push, push, push all the way until you have the handle. Good. That way, your strop guide is out of the kick zone of the horse, because you'll notice that while she's doing what she's doing, she can't pay attention to what the horse is doing. Good. Now you organize the strap. This person is going to pull back towards himself. You continue to organize the strap. Excellent. Okay, you can disattach the carabiner. At this point, you're going to pull until you get approximately to the middle of the strap. The middle of the strap is going to end up right where his shoulder is. That's probably it. At this point, you can work together to hand her the strap. I'm going to need one more person as a leg handler. Use your tools to manipulate the legs. Our goal is to get the pieces of webbing between the legs. So you can manipulate the legs from that side, or you could manipulate the legs from the other side. Good. Move that leg. Good. Between the legs. And of course, a live horse will often struggle while you're doing these things, so you may have to just relax, let him struggle, and then use your tools to move the legs back. Good. At this point, we have got the simple version of the forward assist on the horse. I need all of my people over here. It will take all of you to drag a live horse. It may be up to 500 kilos. In the case of a draft horse, it may be up to 700 kilos. You're going to work together. You're going to use your legs. One person needs to call it, which is going to be the person who's the animal handler. Her job is going to be slightly lift the horse's face up off the ground. You don't want to drag his face. So you're going to use your legs and pull slightly on his halter. Can you lift it a little higher? A little higher? Okay. And at that point, you guys are going to work together. So you tell them when to pull.
Hold on, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Excellent. Stop. And that is the simple version of the forward assist.